So the first thing I do is get a wave cap, and I put it on this mannequin, this foamy mannequin. I put a towel underneath so it could be a little bit bigger, so it could stretch, so you could be able to put the wig on. I put a first weave on the bottom. I cut a piece and I put it at the bottom. As you can see, I have it in an angle where where I'm gonna put it on, and I blow dry it, put hairspray on it, blow dry it, and make sure it's dry on. And then I'm applying the second weft, and I'm putting this glue that it dries up pretty fast. It dries in 30 seconds, I think, and it's good. I like it so far. And I put in the third weft. It's gonna be a while to take. It take me an hour just to do the wig. So this time I'm going around on top of the wave cap. I'm putting the hair in front, as you can see, because that's where the bangs are gonna be. That's where I'm gonna cut the hair, and that's where I'm gonna cut the bangs. And then on the other side, I apply more hair, more wave. I mean, no, I was about to say wave cap, but no. The wave cap, the hair wave. I'm putting a fourth one. I leave a gap on the left side, as you can see, because that's where I'm gonna put a whiff of red. I'm gonna put some weave. Let's just say some weave. I cut a piece, and then I put glue, the 30-second glue, and I put red there, so the wig could pop. You could use this for Halloween. You could make your own Halloween wig instead of buying one at oh, that's my friend. She's a makeup artist at the shop. She's like, oh, you're doing a wig? I'm like, yeah. My daughter's in the background, as you can see, but you see, it's a closer look of the red weave. And then I go over it just a tad bit, and I glue it and blow dry it so it can stick on. Don't put the blow dryer too close to the weave cap, because it will burn off. And my blow dryer is really hot, so I have to, like, my daughter, she's like, high five, and I didn't give her a high five because I was working. I was doing the wig, but she knows. So I put another wave cap. I mean a wave. And I try to go as up as possible, where not near the crown, but a little bit upper the crown of the head. Because if you put it way back there, your ending of doing your wig, where it's gonna be on top, you have to, like, get some needle and some string and do see how up I go upper into an angle where it's gonna go on top near the crown area, because the crown area is a bit in the back of the head, almost close to the bottom, in the middle of the back of the head. So you gotta go like 3 inches away from the crown. If you don't know what the crown means, it's like, you see the little taut knot that's right there on the wave cap? There's a knot right there, like a little bump. You see it? It's on the left side, a little small bump. That's the crown area. You're trying to avoid to get on top of that, 3 inches away from that that crown area. Yeah, because we're gonna try to make the wig look as natural as possible. Enough for you to put it on. I glue it, put the 30-second glue on. This glue is amazing. I use the regular one, it dries too slow, so I have to. I'm pressing on it and cutting. You see how that red blends in with the black? It's so cool. You could use this as a Halloween wig, or however you can style it, cut it, you can do whatever you want with it. It's all human hair. This is all human hair. You can sell it. See, I'm trying to cover the crown. I'm almost done with the wig. Almost. Because I still need to style it and cut it. Now, what gave me the idea to do a wig is because Halloween is coming, and I know how expensive the Halloween wigs are. So you can save a buck by doing your own wig. Blow dry it. You could use any color, like purple with yellow, or green with yellow. Just buy the human hair, or buy blonde hair and color it in dyes.